Install one of the roller stand on the base plate. Install the rotating axis on the motor component. Install the motor component and the other roller stand on the base plate. Install the angle adjustment handle. Install the 3-jaw chuck. Different functions can be achieved through the combination of different parts on the chuck. After connecting the chuck to the device through the connecting cable, turn the switch here to rotary function. Then set the device mode to single mode. Then open light burn and click rotary setup. Turn on enable rotary. Enter parameter 255. The object diameter is then adjusted to the clamped object. After entering the parameters, the circumference below will be adjusted accordingly. The chuck parameters are set, and you can now create freely within Lightburn.